Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and here in the search pool and enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just open the app, here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, click OK, again OK. Now just go back and tap switch input methods. Now just switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished, as can you see. And now we'll go somewhere when we can enter something, for example into the message application, and here as can you see we got the look of our new device keyboard. And as can you see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all the emojis here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.